Sige, let's settle down first, everyone, before we proceed to the program. Hi, Coachella girls! Before anything else, bumati naman kayo sa ating Akari family and of course, to all the blooms that are here tonight.
2, 3, mabuhay! Hi everyone, I'm Aya. Good afternoon everyone, I'm Gwen. What's up, it's Joanna. Hi everyone, I'm Colette. Hi, I'm Maloy. What's up, it's Miko. Hi guys, I'm Sheena. Hi Blooms, I'm Stacy. And we are Beanie.
All right. Are you guys ready to be interacting with Beanie? Okay, handa na ba kayo, BT, makapaglaro sa ating mga audience tonight? Or before anything else, let's have our chairs up on the stage. Move forward lang tayo, ladies, para maayos natin ang mga upuan. Ayan. Alright, habang inaayos nila, isa namang malaking power sigaw para sa Beanie, everyone. Dahil we just received some amazing news today. Very historical news, and we'll be talking about that later. You know, I've been with Beanie since 2019. This is the first time that I'm actually hosting for them. How does it feel? Joke lang. Ayan na, ready na. Upo na tayo, Beanie. Let's go. Thank you so much. Ayan. Okay. Kuya, pakuha na po ito. Hindi ko naman po kailangang maupo. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Thank you. All right. Sabi doon, Beanie goes to Coachella. Another dream manifested. Hindi ba? My God, if you really just believe that you can make it, they are the perfect proof that dreams do come true. Talaga namang inspirasyon, hindi lang para sa mga kabataan, hindi lang para sa mga Pilipino, pero sa lahat ng nangangarap sa buong mundo. Diba?
Yes, tama po.
Ay, ayan. Talagang sumagot si Joanna sa part na yan. Okay.